In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in NotebookLM. To get started, open your browser and go to NotebookLM. This is Google's workspace for turning your sources into clear, structured outputs, and the reports feature is where the real magic happens. Once you're in, either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. If you're creating a new one, think about the sources you plan to draw from so the report can stay grounded in the right material. If you're opening an existing notebook, make sure it contains the documents, links, or notes you want to reference. Next, look to the right-hand sidebar and click Reports. This panel is dedicated to generating polished write-ups from what's inside your notebook, so it's the best place to begin shaping your deliverable. Now, choose a format. You'll see a variety of structures tailored to different needs. For instance, Briefing Doc is excellent for concise, executive-ready summaries with sections like key points, background, and recommendations. Pick the format that matches your audience and goal. Do you need an analytical breakdown, a summary, or an action-oriented brief? You'll also notice suggested formats. These are automatically tuned to your current notebook and can save time by aligning the structure with your content. If one of the suggestions fits, select it. After selecting a format, click Edit. Here you can tailor the outline, adjust headings, refine the tone, and call out any sections you want emphasized or minimized. Small tweaks at this stage go a long way toward producing a report that reads the way you want. If you selected Briefing Doc, consider clarifying the key outcomes you want highlighted. For example, specify that the report should foreground takeaways, risks, or next steps so the brief lands with decision makers. Next, choose the language. Set it to the language your readers prefer, especially if you're collaborating across regions. In the description box, describe the report you want to create. Be specific about purpose, audience, and scope, and reference the themes or sources inside your notebook that should guide the output. Clear instructions, like desired length, tone, or level of detail, help the model produce exactly what you need. Finally, click Generate. NotebookLM will compile your selected sources into the chosen structure and present a draft for you to review. If the result needs refinement, adjust your description or format choices and generate again until it matches your intent. That's it. You now know how to create reports in NotebookLM with confidence and speed.